Good afternoon, everyone. This is Rene Enriquez with HomeSmart Real Estate here in Santa Clarita. Hey, just wanted to drop a little quick video to let you guys know what's happening right now with our current real estate market here in Santa Clarita. So just to let you know, we have buyers. I have been showing some properties, obviously with all the precautions that are out there and all the recommendations. We started writing some offers, and what I'm noticing out there is anything under the 600,000 range. There's some multiple counter situations out there, and some of these homes are actually flying off the shelf. I was speaking to a lender earlier today too as well, and they're reporting that they're seeing a lot of activity in that particular market. So if you are a home seller or you're thinking about selling your house and you're going to be right around that price point, expect some traffic and expect your home to be sold. If you are a buyer looking to buy somewhere in that particular price point, expect to have some competition. Most buyers are taking advantage of these low interest rates, and with all the talk about some of the programs being taken out of lending, some folks are kind of hurt. They're putting they're coming out and shopping as soon as possible. So, anyways, feel free to give us a call. 661-565-4979. That is my cell phone number. You can call me here anytime or send me a quick text. I'll be more than happy to go into detail what's happening. Also, visit us on our webpage, www.scvhomematch.com, and we'll go from there. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.